Hi there, welcome to the cutting edge number 15. The topic of this episode is on temperature measurement. This time we can give you some useful information on how you can make a temperature measurement. I hope you enjoy.
Using a temperature sensor is very easy. Just place it and record the numbers. But if you want to make the numbers meaningful, that's a different story. You need to know how to do it. Useful information in temperature measurement is given in the following video. Temperature data logger. This is a data logger we used in the experiment. The diameter is only 17 mm, housed in a stainless steel container. You can specify starting time and date of the measurement, and sampling interval as well. Experiment. An aluminum block is placed in the thermostatic oven. We measure the temperatures using the data loggers with different settings. The suspended data logger is to measure the temperature of air. Double-sided tape is used to fix logger 1 to the aluminum block. Aluminum adhesive tape over the data logger 2. Data logger 3 is sitting on thin layer of styrofoam. Plastic tape over the data logger 4. Can you imagine the temperature data when we change the temperature setting in the oven? Results. Suspended logger showed abrupt temperature change because of smaller heat capacity. Data in styrofoam and double-sided tape also showed a rapid increase due to poor thermal connection with the aluminum block. But the influence from the aluminum block is not negligible if you compare it with the temperature of suspended data logger. Temperature data from aluminum tape and the plastic tape showed very slow temperature increase because of high thermal coupling between aluminum block and data loggers. No prominent change was observed between two tapes. You have to be very careful when you're making a measurement of temperature when abrupt change is taking place. Your measurement data may change largely depends on how you fix the temperature sensor. You should have a concrete idea what temperature you are measuring right now.
Well, that's it for today. I hope the information provided in this episode is useful. I hope to see you again sometime soon with another episode of The Cutting Edge. Bye bye.